Welcome back to the channel. What's up, guys? G'day, I'm Stuart from Australian Clutch, and today I want to run through our process on what we do to find completely bespoke solutions for customers when they have a custom engine and transmission combination. We pride ourselves on being experts in everything clutch, and part of that is finding completely bespoke solutions for customers who have custom engine and transmission combinations. Whether it be an older 4x4 vehicle with an engine conversion, or whether it be a more modern drift car and a sequential gearbox, we'll find a clutch solution to suit your engine and transmission combination and the application that you're using it for. The first part of the process is we request some information from our customer. That comes in the form of dimensional information, application information, and then also something that will tell us a little bit about how you're going to use the vehicle, along with some photos of the transmission itself at the back of the engine and any components that you may want to utilize. What we do with the customer supplied information is our team of clutch specialists tailor a solution specific to not only the dimensional information provided, but the application information provided. We cross-check all the dimensional information for what we're providing against the dimensional information that the customer has provided us to make sure that it'll fit right the first time. These custom clutch solutions are assembled, checked and tested separate to our normal production line of catalogue components. This is specifically so that we can make sure that these are completely bespoke to each individual customer. We're providing a custom technical bulletin for your custom clutch to ensure that any specific notes that we want you to know about how we have tailored this solution for you is given to you, and you have contact directly with us about any concerns you might have.